Hi guys, I'm at the car wash again. Seems like I always vlog when I'm here because I have an extra minute, but Bella's with too. Finally getting out a little bit today. Whoops, kind of bumpy. Bella and I are going to go do a little shopping. I have to mail some letters. After the car wash, we're going over to where they do ultrasounds and have an ultrasound to see how the baby is doing. And I'll see if I can get some pictures of him. But he sure is moving around. Not born yet, but he sure is moving around. Our 8-year-old grandson spent the night. It was so nice to see him again.
There.
We are at Aldi in where we live. Husband ran in to get a couple pizzas for the birthday party. We have another birthday party tonight. And this one is our 8-year-old grandson's birthday. All right, he went in and got some balloons for Elijah. And now we're at the clinic because they charged my credit card for some medications and I don't have insurance through them anymore. And they did that anyway, so we're trying to straighten that out before we go to the birthday party. Other than that, it's a pretty chilly day today. And it feels good to sit in the truck. He's doing all the running around today because of my bad knee. She made delicious pulled pork for sandwiches. It was so good. Good job.
You gotta go so fast.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to
you.
Happy birthday
to you.
I wanna
Happy birthday to you.
smell like a monkey.
Well, here's some more images of the birthday party. And Elijah and his mom made these delicious cupcakes. They were so good. Everything tasted really good tonight. We brought a couple pizzas over, but I don't think I got that on any images of them. One day Elijah stayed overnight with us. I couldn't do much with him, play any games or much running around because of my knee, but he did have fun. And we watched some movies together, and it was nice to be indoors because it was quite chilly outside. But the next day when my husband brought Eli back home, our daughter, and this is our granddaughter Selah, were outside getting some fresh air. And it was always fun to see her smiley face. I didn't go, but my husband went and took some videos of walking in the woods and them jumping on the trampoline. Grandpa took Elijah out for like a 3-hour walk out in the woods by Irvine Park, and it was a lot of fresh air. I bet he slept really good that night.
You wanted thorn bushes.
Oh no. Ouch.
The next day we ended up getting some snow. I think it was about 3 to 5 inches. And then the next day, I didn't think we were going to get any snow. We ended up getting quite a bit more. But then it started to rain that night. And a lot of it melted the next day, but it was still quite a mess. Our son came over and snowblowed the sidewalk, so at least we have a clear path, to go get the mail and stuff. And then he just lives right next from us, so he did his sidewalk over there. And I think it's probably going to be the last snowfall of this year. I'm not really too sure, but just trying to live here in Wisconsin, doing the best we can. And I like to vlog on my way, and nothing too exciting, but I like to do this as a hobby, and I hope you'll enjoy. But I hope you'll have a great rest of your week, and we'll talk to you next time, hopefully next week.
Trees, they are singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell that brings the morning, the welcome of the dawn. The voice of the robin, call of the dove, daylight is calling, welcome of the dawn.